B-Movie TV, welcome back to a new episode of Grandpa Oats Cinema Woodchipper. That's right, I hope you guys all sat back and fanned your nuts and flicked your bean, because we're in for a real good show tonight. What do you think, Pico Bob?
If you don't know by now, and you should, my name is Pico Bob.
Very interesting story, Pico Bob. That's right, Pico Bob is my assistant. He lives in the airwaves. You know, I was abducted by him one time. I think he's an alien because he speaks to me through my radio frequencies. It used to be in my molar and my earpiece I could hear him, but now he's improved and been on the radio waves here. So they're out there, everyone. They're out there, and Grandpa Oats knows firsthand. He's been probed plenty of times to know that the Nevada desert is filled with UFOs and flying saucers. Just ask Pico Bob.
Pico Bob is in need of some delicious pudding from a lovely lady.
Because we got a real fun movie for you. I found it right in the back of my tool shed. That's right, this one's Enemy Unseen, starring Vernon Wells. And we all know Vernon Wells from Mad Max Fury Road? Or was it The Road Warrior? Or was it the Tina Turner one? I don't know. All I know is that Tina Turner is one hot mamacita. I wouldn't mind sticking my grinding, gushing geyser inside of her voluptuous Mississippi hole. That's going way back for you. Yeah, Grandpa Oats can still be a little horn dog sometimes. I mean, I'm 175 years old. My dick's all shriveled up and fell off. But Grandpa Oats could still make a nice little romantic getaway, if you know what I mean. This isn't just for an antenna, you know. Anyway, before we get to our film, we should probably cut to a few things here. That's right, I got a little cartoon lined up for you. This one's by Dakota Freeman. So, without further ado, let's check out this cartoon.
Give me your piss.
Poor Pico Bob. Pico Bob has got gas.
Oh, wow, wasn't that a lot of fun? Man, we're getting our own little Looney Tunes and Tex Avery in this shit here. Well, we still have a little bit of time before we get to our film tonight. How about I throw something else in for you? Maybe a few little commercials sliced in for you. Let's play it.
Welcome back. I just want to say that we have better deals coming up, better than the other ones before. Go with the deals.
Go with the deals? What deals we got for them, Tom? Tell me more. I want to know more. They want to know more.
Shut the fuck up. Hold up. I think we have a transient coming in.
What the hell? Where's security? What the hell?
Hey, buddy, I just wanted to tell you, if you're doing any more of those deals, then you're going to want some of my heroin. I sell it right down the end of the street there. So go ahead and, if you have some sort of philanthropist number, go ahead and give him a call. We'll make sure we get him.
Whoa. You say the guy down the street that sells the drug? Hey, let me tell you one thing. Those drugs are filled with fucking chloroform over there. Alright? They made our cock small. See?
Hey,
he's not wrong.
There's legal limits on the size.
Now I'm just an average sized man.
You know, when you just sign your life away for an ounce of heroin in the back alley, that's the legal mumbo jumbo.
Well, you take this to your motherfucker, back to the area, show him our cocks, and then no more. Alright?
Let's be done with it. Let's get past this deal and
get
get back to our deals. How about that, folks?
Well, let me just tell you, if you do want to buy an ounce of heroin, I have about 7 dumpsters down on 5th Avenue, the 6th dumpster. For every heroin shot you get, I give you a free dumpster.
That ain't the only thing in which he's giving away.
Yeah, go ahead and continue on with your Yankee Doodle show.
Be gone!
Get the fuck out of here.
Be gone, you nasty thoughts. Yeah, that's our deal.
It's our deal, but
you know what? Fuck that deal. We'll give you, if you get heroin from us, you get 2 dumpsters.
2 dumpsters, Tom?
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed? How about 3 dumpsters? 3 dumpsters. Guaranteed.
I was gonna say 4 dumpsters, but okay. Well,
Double or nothing, I guess, huh, Tom?
well, you said 4, right?
You said 4. I know you can't count, but 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what?
Alright, fine. We'll do 5.
There you go, you got 5.
Oh, wow. I learned my numbers already.
High
Thanks.
5, Tom. High
Yeah,
5
there
for
we
5
go.
dumpsters better than that fucked up transient thing that came in here.
Yeah, don't buy
With the
anything.
small
from
cock
we see you
colorful
go down that
shit.
street and buy anything from them, we're gonna come after you, alright? You don't want to fuck with us, alright?
We'll find your family.
I've been banned from 15 different websites, motherfucker.
I'm not allowed to go anywhere within 15 feet of McDonald's anymore in any state.
Oh, that
I am not loving it, Tom. Not one bit.
only happened once. I had to go pee real bad.
Tom, you were worse than that chick doing the Szechuan sauce shit on the counter.
Alright,
You know how hard it is to go to
guess-
fast
no,
food and you
no,
only get
there's
McDonald's
other things
nearby?
worse. You have a fucking guy going around wearing a wrestling shirt, asking where's my fucking cheeseburger? Where is it?
It didn't help you try to act like Hulk Hogan or whatever the hell the other one was you're doing out there.
You're worse than those guys that wear tap-out shirts, begging for a fight and they get their ass kicked. All right. So
You still kicked
keep
your
that in
ass,
mind.
Tom.
Keep that in mind. Okay.
You still kicked your
Wait. Before we get off topic, we should probably talk about the deals. All right.
Deals.
What other deals do we got? We had the pocket pussies earlier. We need
We had the car we sold, Tom. We did sell the cars.
Oh yeah, we did sell some cars, but we can't disclose it. Police are kind of looking for us
Tom, we
right
don't
now.
need to tell them.
Sí, señor. No espectaculoso, muy pesete, muy pequeño, no poquito. Sí, ay Chihuahua, es Telemundo, es verde, es nuevo, espectacular. ¡Ay, ay, 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 ay!
Hey baby, how is your car run? Do you have a trouble with your transmission? Shift it in forward, shift it in reverse. Domestico foreign, I please you with my service. Shift it in forward, shift it in reverse. Domestico foreign, I please you with my service. Shift it in forward, shift it in reverse. Domestico foreign, I please you with my service. Shift it in forward, shift it in reverse. Domestico foreign, I please you with my service. Hello, my name is Gorgon. Let me help you shift it.
Hey cousin Patty, this is Ramona. Today you're never gonna believe what happened. Well, I had to go to the post office and my boobs are all silicone now. I could squeeze that and perform milk for the children right next door. But anyway, Patty, I just want to send you this video because I know it's your birthday and I just want to say happy birthday to you. And I can't get out of my house, so if you want to come over here, feel free, but watch out for the diarrhea on the doorstep because I just have my little anus hole and it just sprays uncontrolled because I have no control of my bowel movements down there. By the way, did I tell you about the pasta and Christmas tinsel? Uncle Tom gave me that last week and I just spit it all out because I can't even open my mouth to chew it. I'm recently shoving a tube up my asshole so I can shove food down there. So it's both an entrance and an exit now. But the pasta and tinsel, it did not go good and I just didn't feel good the whole rest of the day. So I just sat down and watched Gunsmoke on TV for the past 6 hours. Oh, and my VHS went out because it's really hard for me to shove my tape back into my VCR because my hands are not reaching as far out to the TV as possible. Oh, Patty, if you were only here, you could see my pain, and I won't have to be saying this over the video camera.
Do you want to hear a funny haha? Why do lovely ladies enjoy vacuuming?
Oh, there we go. Wasn't that fun? What do you think about that, Pico Bob?
Because they like to massage their carpeting.
Of course. Well, we've heard about enough from Pico Bob today. What do you think today? Alright, guys. Well, without further ado, let's get to our film, Enemy Unseen. That's right, a bunch of killer crocodiles in Africa. And it's a ritualistic murder. Oh, wow. Everyone at the retirement home's going to be real jealous about this one because they can't remember anything. So how do they solve this mystery? Anyway, I'll see you on the other end with some more goodies on Grandpa Oats Cinema Woodchipper. Bye-bye. Wasn't that a real doozy, BTV? That's right, Grandpa Oats. I've shit myself about 7 times in my diaper watching this film here. Anyway, wasn't Vernon Wells great? Anytime he plays the badass action hero, it's always a good time. Now, Pico Bob, got any more words of insight? He's like the radio version of a fortune cookie.
Grandpa Oats, Pico Bob, has a solution to your shriveled up dick problem. We can apply some Mano sauce on your sack hairs. Once they are absorbed, we will have Feel Alicia pull your sack hairs directly from your balls.
Yes. So now, let's get into a few things for tonight here. We got a few more commercials lined up for you. We got to pay our sponsors somehow. Hit it.
Alright, I'm going to be your host today, and I'm really pissed off with these games. Alright, we're going to be talking about in this No Wonder game. Snoopy's Silly Sports Spectacular. More like Snoopy on your kids. Alright, we do the review based by burps. Alright, I give this game 1 burp. No, hold on, folks. Man, I'm really pissed off. I can't even burp for this one. This game gets 0 burps out of 15. Alright, what do we got here? Crash Bandicoot, Wrath of Cortex? Oh, well, call it crash you to the ground and wipe my ass on it. This game fucking sucks, and I hate it. 0 burps out of 15. The Thing? More like, the thing came out of my ass. Alright? This game deserves 5 burps out of 15. Okay, 15 burps. Next one, Twisted Metal. Oh, what a piece of shit. Twisted Back, more like Black to Action. This game gets 10 burps out of 15. I got one more thing to say about this. This game fucking blows. I'd rather kiss my wife in the mouth and tell her I love her than play this game. What do we got here? Laser Shoot Larry, Mega Comlude. The name says everything right there. It has come. You're gonna come back to this game. This game gets 0 burp out of 15. And also too, I'd rather put my tip of the dick near a tarantula than play this piece of shit.
Oh, well, Grandpa Oats is getting real tired. He's getting real past his bedtime. No. Everyone gave me the weird look. All I said was Grandpa Oats was really hot in the studio and he needed an OnlyFan. So now he's got it. But everyone looked at me weird when I told him Grandpa Oats had an OnlyFans. Oh, there we go. The true meaning of OnlyFans. Oh. So sweaty in here. Grandpa Oats' nutsack has dropped down about 17 inches. You can use it as a bouncy ball. or a hippity hop, depending on the dialect that you're in and what region you're in. Oh, well, I better save my juice for later. Grandpa Oats has got a hot date with Tina Turner, and like I said before, this is an oldie for Nintendo. So yes, I hope you guys all enjoyed tonight's film. Maybe you can buy a pet crocodile, a little baby, or maybe a crocodile or an alligator, buy it at a state fair and grow it in your house. And then next thing you know, if you have family members you don't want, you can feed them to the crocodile. Yeah, this movie taught you a lot of lessons. See kids, when you get a crocodile or an alligator, keep it. Don't flush it down the toilet. Although that would be kind of cool, because then we'd have a giant alligator in the sewer, and it would attack at carnivals and mazes, and it would be like Jaws all over again. But that's Grandpa Oats fantasizing again. Grandpa Oats is feeling very tired. I don't know if I can keep up. My old heart's giving out. Grandpa Oats needs his the blue pill. The blue pill.
Покрытые, плюют паломников себе, и люди чистые, подмытые, идут в объятия судьбе. Иконы теплые, нарядные, хочу